Hey everybody, I'm Brandon Adams, and I'll be your host for this course. This is pure sales training geared towards a service business. So you'll find a lot of trainings online about sales. As far as I know, this is the most comprehensive one targeted towards a service business. So if you're in the service business and you're trying to increase profits, then you found the right spot. So kind of the overview of the course to begin, the first thing that we're going to be going over is just the mindset of a salesperson in the service industry, what it takes. I'll be going through my years of experience and describing the things that I've found in the most successful salespeople, specifically the most successful salespeople in the service industry. Following that, we'll be moving on to how to channel that drive and that passion into doing the smartest activities for your time. The things that are going to make the most impact on your bottom line, the things that you need to do right now to be able to increase profits next month. So we'll be talking about that. We'll be going through what we call a sales funnel, and that's kind of how we'll track it down. First we'll talk about what it takes inside to be a great salesperson, and then we're going to take all your customer base and your client base and everybody that you could possibly target, and we're going to funnel them down the best possible way into finding out and obtaining the best customers for your business. So we'll be doing that, and then we're going to be talking about ways to fill that channel. So we're going to be going through all the different ways that you can add people to your sales funnel, bring people to your website, get phone calls coming into you so that you're not out there doing cold calls, doing the hard stuff that salespeople do all the time. That's great, but it's not the smartest things that they could be doing. They just don't know what to do. So I'm going to answer all those questions. These are the things that you need to be doing. If you feel like there is a whole group of people that are passing you by on the internet side of things, I'm going to be here to walk you through the basics so that you can compete savings. You'll have all the money that you put into this back by the end just in referral codes. So I'm going to give those to you at the end of the course. So just plug away, get through this thing, internalize everything that you can, take notes, write things down that are in the course, write things down that come to your thoughts when you're watching the course. A lot of the things that you're going to learn here aren't going to be things that I say. It's going to be things that come to your mind or you're inspired by that lead to other thoughts. So if you don't have a notepad and you're not writing down and making yourself a to-do list, it might not be worth it for you. But if you can do that, I promise you that this is going to increase profits and increase your bottom line in your business.